As more healthcare information is managed and stored in the cloud, organizations are discovering the critical importance of HITRUST certification. Though it isn't mandatory, many providers and payers won't work with vendors that aren't certified, giving a competitive advantage to organizations that do attain it. Though conforming to HITRUST guidelines proves benefits, the certification process is anything but easy. The long journey to HITRUST certification can distract teams from other responsibilities and goals. But choosing the right cloud partner can accelerate the process by 40% on average, reducing your overall investments of money and internal resources. To understand how the public cloud accelerates the HITRUST process, it's necessary to draw your attention to the IaaS shared responsibility model. Some of you may have heard this a zillion times, but bear with me for 30 seconds. When it comes to security and compliance in the public cloud, this cloud service provider is responsible for securing the infrastructure it maintains and the software it delivers, while the customer is responsible for securing the data and applications they put in the cloud. When it comes to HITRUST certification, any security controls pertaining to the infrastructure or software that the cloud service provider is managing will be owned by the cloud service provider to implement and maintain. Because the three major cloud service providers, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, all offer HITRUST certified services, customers can automatically inherit attestation to a number of HITRUST controls that the cloud provider has already met, just by using those services. The cloud makes it easier to maintain your HITRUST posture too, because using the cloud allows you to use code to automate infrastructure management and immediately satisfy specific controls tied to HITRUST certification. Automation isn't an option in a physical data center environment where issues have to be addressed manually. By automating controls, you reduce the work needed to maintain compliance with HITRUST. If you want to expedite your journey to HITRUST even more, the best way to do this is to work with a certified HITRUST inheritance provider. These solution providers offer even more inheritable controls that you can take advantage of for your HITRUST assessment. To learn more about certified HITRUST inheritance providers, check out the link on the screen. Cloudticity is a certified HITRUST inheritance provider. We provide managed services, managed security, and managed compliance for AWS and Azure. By using our cloud management solution, customers can take advantage of over 350 inheritable or partially inheritable controls, accelerating the path to HITRUST by 40% on average. So, as a recap, the cloud accelerates HITRUST certification by providing inheritable controls, allowing you to automate the enforcement of controls, and providing an ecosystem of HITRUST inheritance providers. Are you thinking about pursuing HITRUST certification at your company? If so, you might be curious about the costs. Take advantage of our completely free tool, the HITRUST Cost Calculator, for an estimate today. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.